So if you are core miner, then in this video I'm reminding you to claim your core based on whatever is displaying on your dashboard depending on your level. So let me claim mine. So here you can see I have 1.3 core to claim today. So let me tap on claim. So here tap on confirm, then verify. So you can see it has successfully claimed. So you can see successfully claim, right? You can see claim, right? So the cooldown will start soon. So guys, if this reminder is helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell so you'll be the first to see any new video I upload, right? If you are not earning on CoreSage, then you are missing a big opportunity. That's why I always encourage you in my video to join my Telegram channel and WhatsApp discussion group for instant update. Now, where most people lose opportunity like this, many crypto enthusiasts still don't understand what CoreSage is. This is not your regular Ponzi scheme that runs for a few months and disappears. CoreSage is a smart contract built on the core blockchain, giving you the chance to accumulate core long term while the price is still low. Right, this is very important. You can start with about 60 core, then upgrade your level and use referral to increase your daily earnings. Right, so this is very, very important. And remember guys, CoreSage has been running strong for over 6 years now, while CoreSage is still very new, just 1 month to 2 months old, right? So when core price starts increasing, those who started early will already be profit and smiling. So how about you? Another interesting thing about this platform is that once you confirm your withdrawal, it goes direct to your wallet instantly, right? So you don't like this, what do you like? And one important thing about making money online is this: the earlier you join the opportunity, the better your chance of earning more. If you want step-by-step tutorial on how to get started with CoreSage, make sure to check out on this video description section or comment section, right? If there anything you don't understand, drop your thoughts in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. So do what you want with this information, but remember, the earlier you join, the earlier you earn. I will see you in the next video.